everyone, today we're making authentic Jamaican beef patties. You have a flaky crust. This is very easy to make, very delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. This is amazing. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in the minced meat, followed by meat seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, soy sauce, and then salt. I then mix, and then I covered it. I let it sit. So the meantime, I mix the dough for the crust. Then this will take time to get marinated, so go ahead, stir it, make sure everything has come together, cover it with a cling film, and then let it sit for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can go ahead and mix the dough. So in my mixing bowl, I added in flour, sugar, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, curry, turmeric powder, baking powder as well. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Once all the ingredients are added, go ahead, mix until everything has come together, and then add in cold butter. Make sure your butter is cold. Create a space in the middle, add in cold butter, and go in with your fork. Mix it, or you mash it with your fork, and then you want a breadcrumbs consistency as seen in the video. So go ahead, work on it until you get to this point. When you squeeze and it comes together, if it's easily fall apart, that means you're at the right point. Go ahead, sprinkle a little bit of water on top on it, and then squeeze it. Bring everything together until it has formed a dough. Do not add in much water. I'll list whatever the exact amount of the ingredient that I use, so please check the comment section. Once everything has come together, cover it with a cling film and then put it in the fridge to rest for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, we can go ahead and work on the filling. In my saucepan, I added in just a little bit of olive oil, followed by chopped onion, crushed garlic, and then I let this cook for at least 5 minutes. You want to soften up the onion before going in with your marinated meat. After, I added in chopped carrot and spring onion. So the last ingredient that I added was chili powder. If you're not a chili lover, you can just add in black pepper. So go ahead, stir, make sure everything has come together. Go in with just a little bit of soy sauce again, Worcestershire sauce, and I added in brown food color. I wanted the meat to be brown, but this is totally optional. Go ahead, stir, mix everything together, let it cook for some minutes, and you are good to go. So this is the color you're looking for. So as you can tell, there's some liquid in it, so I added in breadcrumbs, about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons if needed, and then it will absorb the water or the liquid in the meat. I was still having some crunch of meat, some chunks of meat in the stew, so I added it to my food processor and then I blended it. I paused it for some minutes. It shouldn't be that smooth. This is what you're looking for. Keep it aside, set it aside, and let it cool down completely before moving to the next step. So for the next step, go ahead, sprinkle flour on your work surface, transfer the dough on it, and then roll it. When done rolling, go ahead and shred some butter on it and then fold it. So it's very simple. This, you want a flaky pie, you want a flaky crust, so go ahead and follow this process, and trust me, you're going to have a flaky oh man. When done, fold it as seen in the video, sprinkle flour on it and then roll it, fold it again, and then let it rest for at least 30 minutes in the fridge before following or before doing the next step. After 30 minutes, sprinkle flour on your work surface again, transfer the dough on it, and then roll it up. So this time around, you're going to mold it. So just sprinkle flour on it if needed, and then cut off any excess. You can bring the excess together and make another pie out. The thickness should be around 2 to 3 millimeters, and then cut off, divide it into 2. Scoop about a tablespoon of the filling in the middle, and then brush the edge with an egg wash. Fold it and pinch the edge together. To make it more sealed, use a fork to seal it very well. When done, brush on top with an egg wash and bake these good girls at 180 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. And guys, just look at it. This was not just delicious, it was beautiful, and I hope you're going to give it a try. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.